uneventful, was it? Second one, ready? Right on.
Cool.
They're all done. Now, can you, down there's the clips for the
Joiners.
joiners, yeah, joiner clips. The other side. It's alright, it's not so bad getting these in this way. Thank you. That's it, last one in. Well, we've got some rails up now. Now comes the hard bit. Insulation and board.
You pleased with that?
Well, it's there. It's there, it's in. Yeah, it's good to get it done. It's good to get it done. I just wonder how we're gonna use the board lifter and be able to screw the boards in at the same time. You got them in knife there, haven't you?
Yeah.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding fight. The roads that lay open are many, when the old one's gone under tonight, and I can feel the sun on my skin. This morning house, I feel alive as I need to see the
Fucking hell.
horizon and the fire.
Is it hard?
Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
Are you done?
I'm done. Oh,
Yeah.
it's hot work.
Yeah, it looks good. There's only one thing.
What?
Well, you put that section in upside down.
What section upside down?
This one above your head.
No, they've got all the brown bits of paper.
Well, the writing's all upside down.
The writing?
Yeah.
Does that matter?
Well, of course it matters. Otherwise, they wouldn't put. You know, they put the writing so you put it up the right way.
Really?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, and you've taped these ones as well.
Shit. That's stupid. Surely it's all the same. Oh, for God's sake. Well, I'm not doing it. I'll go for a cup of tea. And then I'll come back and do it. So I've got to change them all the way around. Oh, for crying out loud. Oh. I'll make a cup of tea.
I'll wait until she's had a cup of tea and then I'll tell her I was just joking. Right, I need to know where you want these spots. So I'm going to mark them with this and then we can put our cables in.
Right.
Exactly where you want them. So I'm thinking you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Put the middle space. So this middle space here, is that going to be good for you?
Yeah.
And where do you want the first one to start? Because the spacing is going to be slightly different from over there.
Yeah, just really.
And bearing in mind we've got this area here, so you don't want to go too far this way because it's not going to line up. So maybe somewhere like that.
Yeah.
Where we had before here.
Yeah, I'm just trying to work out.
Well, you're thinking about.
That was there. That goes there. Yeah, one there.
One here.
Yep. One in the middle.
One here.
Yep. And one up there.
One here.
Yeah, in the middle.
There.
Yep. Cool.
Right. Okay. So if I go up the top and we do the same.
Yep. Quit's getting exciting now, baby.
You wait till how excited you'll be when we try and put that board on. Yeah, just do that thing that I think couples do. Remember, we love each other. Remember, at the end, we still love each other.
Doesn't matter what happens in between.
Do you remember we used to say that?
Yeah.
When we were doing your charity events.
Yeah, remember at the end, baby.
Remember we love each other. Remember we.
Doesn't matter what happens in between, we still love each other.
We love each other. You just come out at the end, you go, I still love her. I still love her. I still love her. I still love him. Even though I want to kill him. yeah. But, you know, when the trial date comes up and your defence is, but I did say that I loved him. Right. I can't see where it's spotted. Right, so that spot's here. So that spot's here. So if you like, so in this one we got.
So it's here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there.
Yeah, and come to stop. Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
I don't want to spray myself.
Come out with a pink face.
Hey.
Excuse my coughing. I'm just going to show you something. So we've run out of insulation, and we had to run down to the local bric-a-marché and get some more. And we picked up rock wool. The other stuff we was using is mineral wool. Rock wool is obviously glass. I don't know what mineral wool is, but you can really tell the difference. Yesterday, oh, sorry, just grab it here. I didn't cough at all. I didn't have any coughing. I felt really good. I could breathe really easily working with the mineral wool. Today, with the rock wool, let me turn you around. So this is the mineral wool, this is the rock wool. We haven't got much of it left. But going to try and show you. This one stays together really well. You can stays together. This one, sorry you didn't see that, literally if you pick it up it just breaks off, just literally, look. It's absolutely awful, so it is well worth paying the extra to go with the better materials, because as we were trying to put the last bit up in the roof, it was just falling to pieces. So I've had to tape some of it together. And
so if you can afford it, there's a product called Iceover.
Yeah, we can afford it.
Which is made of, I don't know what it's made of, but it's about €10 a roll more, 10 or 12 euros a roll more. So it'd be expensive, but it's really, really good. It's made of it's not made of glass. It's not made of anything, and it's much more of a fibrous material, and it holds together pretty much like the Ursa stuff does.
Yeah,
but better, the mineral wool.
That Ursa, what's it called? Ursa.
It's this stuff here.
Ursa mineral wool, I think, was really good. I'm really impressed with that.
Yeah.
That was,
good,
and it was really easy to put it. Well, easy, quite physical because you've got a lot of weight on it, but at least it stayed together.
Yeah.
Whereas the other stuff was rubbish. Okay, time to get the lights in.
When you think about it, if you were putting this in the walls, you'd be fine.
Yeah.
If you're putting it, actually cutting it and sticking it between uprights, studs, it'd be absolutely fine.
Yeah, but for the roof. Right, wiring. Let's go.
Yeah, we need some strips. More I can get about, and then we need. And what I'll do is I'm going to thread it all the way through. Thread it all the way through. I'm going to thread it all the way through.
Talk proper English.
Talk proper. Right, my dear mother would have you believe that we're posh. My dear mother would have you believe that we're posh.
And my dear daughter would have you believe we're rednecks. So my daughter called me up yesterday on the way home from work, and she'd been to a work meeting. She said everyone in work was moaning about their parents and having a bit of a whine and a moan about them. She said, and they turned to her and said, "What about you, Pam? Can you relate to that? What are your parents like?" And she said, "My parents are amazing. They're redneck hillbillies living in rural France, and they do whatever they want." She said, "They're amazing." And I was so proud of that. That was so lovely. Thank you, Pammy.
Thank you, Pammy, for calling me.
Thank you, Pammy. A hillbilly redneck.
That's all the lights in now. So we've got 6 lights in there, 6 lights in here. And what you do, we're going to have a junction box in here that everything's going to come to. So we're going to have a light switch on here, and then probably our Wi-Fi light switches over there. So that'll be enough, because we probably won't want one coming out of here.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just need to run a cable from there all the way over to there. Then I need to run my conduit all the way over there, because then Lee can put a light switch in there. And he said run conduit to anywhere you want a light switch. So I can't think that we'd want any more than the light switch here. Yeah?
No.
No?
No.
Because if we're coming in this way, we're going to turn on the lights here. If we're coming over here for an evening.
Yep.
And
if we come in the back door, we're going to have the Wi-Fi switch.
We're going to have the Wi-Fi switch on that wall. So, you know, once we open the door, we can just hit the light switch and away we go. We're going to have a light over. We're going to have the solar light over there and a solar light over here. And we did say about putting the light out that way, out that side, if we're coming in that way. That's the only thing.
But do we just have solar lights out there?
We could have a solar light, and we could have, like, if we had solar lights off the bottom of the, you know, we'd have to put the panels obviously above, but we could have the lights specifically maybe just under where the guttering is there.
Yeah.
Or just on the wall.
We know the solar lights, those ones outside work really well.
If we could find a solar panel light with like 3 lights coming off the one solar panel, we could put the solar panel somewhere on the wall here and then just have the lights strung. Because you can hide all the cable underneath the thing.
We'll have to have a look.
Yeah, I think that might be an idea. And they ain't a lot of money these days, are they?
Right. So we're all ready. We're all set. The installation's up. The rails are up. The cables are up. We're ready to start plasterboarding. Come back on Monday and see how we get on.
Oh my God. Like, subscribe, hype. Numbers are that way. We want them to go that way.
I don't know why we've lost subscribers.
Why we lost subscribers?
If anyone's got any idea why we're losing
Please
subscribers,
let us know.
put some comments in. Let us know, what are we doing wrong? What would you like to see differently?
We were always told it was about content. We're pushing out twice a week now, and the numbers are going the wrong way.
Yeah, let us know. Anyway, we'll see you all again soon. Thank you so much for everybody that's donated to the materials page, bought stuff off of the wish list. If you'd like to do any donations, the links are in the description. And thank you again to all of our patrons who are here with us week on week.
See you later.
Take care, everyone.
Bye now.